Hey, good morning everyone. Well, it's not really morning, it's like 10 or 11 o'clock. So I have a couple hours to kill before I go to work, and I thought, why not just go for a hike and take some photos and maybe do a little vlog style video. So I'm going to take you along with me as I go out and take some photos. My goal for 2020 is to be more productive on my off time, and I feel like as we approach the new year, I'm going to try and nip it in the butt and get in a habit of being more productive and getting out to shoot and making more videos and doing all that fun stuff. So yeah, keep watching and follow along as I check out a waterfall and go for a hike. Alright. Alright, so it is just starting to snow, which I'm kind of happy about because it will add to the photos. I just hope I don't get stuck or anything, but we will see. I am all bundled up, ready to rock and roll. I'm very grateful to have some cool areas to shoot in the region, and it doesn't require a lot of driving or a lot of effort. We're super lucky to be in the Niagara Region and have that. So I am heading out now. Hopefully, hopefully it'll be okay. Like, it's still pretty snowy out, and you have to kind of go down this steep hill to get there. But stay tuned, and I will check back in once I'm there. Alright, peace. Alright, so I just got here. It's snowing. I'm super bundled up. I'm the only one here, which is probably to be expected, but gotta figure out how I'm gonna get down. There's a lot of snow here, but yeah, it should be alright. Guess we'll see. I might not get any photos from this, but it doesn't matter. It's just to get out and enjoy this snow and the weather, even though it's like -10. It's not bad once you dress warm, but I am shooting on a 35mm lens, but the Fuji system is crop sensor, so it's gonna be like 50mm, which I haven't done in a while when it comes to like landscape and all that stuff. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, stay tuned. Show you once I get down there. Alright, still out here. I haven't actually made it too far. I'm just like on the boardwalk to walk down. But I took a little stop here so I could take a couple photos. Some of myself. It's something I've been trying to do, is just put the camera on the tripod and take my own photos. So I will show you how I have that set up. Got tripod here. Got the Fuji Xt2, the 35mm lens, and basically I was just standing down there, took some walking photos. The snow looks awesome. It's like super slow motion, and yeah, it's super slow motion. It looks kind of cool. So I don't know how we'll look in a photo, but we will see. All right, onward. Alright, so I am on the bridge here. I don't know how loud the water is, but normally I don't really shoot here because the water is brown, but it just looks amazing right now with all the snow. So I'm just gonna show you what it's looking like. And I didn't shoot on the tripod, I just handheld it. I just said screw it. But yeah, check it out. Yeah, so as you can see, super beautiful. Yeah, and we'll be moving on to the next spot. All right. Alright, I made it to the falls. You quickly remember how out of shape you are when you have to walk up a hill in the snow. It's pretty brutal. But yeah, this is it. It actually looks pretty shitty or bad. So I'm not really gonna photograph it, but it's cool to check out. So I'll show you guys.